looks a crowded room, looks very nice. Dear members, dear partners, dear friends, welcome to our second annual conference. And this year we are meeting at the heart of aviation. We are at Brussels Airport. Brussels Airport is a member of our Joint Undertaking, and Arnaud Feist, the CEO of Brussels Airport and the landlord of these premises, will speak in a few moments. Our conference today has two main aspects. First, taking stock of the progress in our projects and programs, and secondly, launching the campaign to update the European Air Traffic Management Master Plan. So let me turn to the first of these. We have completed now the SESAR 2020 program, 149 projects, and we have now 127 solutions delivered and available for implementation. This is a result we can be really proud of. And we have launched our new program, the Digital European Sky. 58 projects up and running, and they cover everything: exploratory research, industrial research, fast-track innovation and update, and finally the Digital Sky demonstrators. And these 58 projects already represent an investment of more than 600 million euros. Again, this is a big collective achievement. And we are not stopping there. 3 calls are open currently, and more new projects will bring more SESAR solutions in the future. So this morning, let's discuss how to facilitate and to fast-track the deployment and the industrialization of our SESAR solutions. I'm here since 15 months as Executive Director, and I had the opportunity myself to visit many projects and research sites and to talk to you, to researchers, engineers, air traffic controllers, pilots, managers, and it is a truly fascinating environment where innovation takes place by working together. I'm pleased to note the numerous improvements we have implemented to accelerate deployment of our SESAR solutions. We are involving EASA, Luc is sitting there, much more in our projects. Close cooperation with standardization bodies. Anna will be on podium in a couple of minutes from EuroCAE. We are having the Digital Sky demonstrators where we are using the CEF money, and their SESAR solutions are deployed in an operational environment for permanent use, and we are also working much closer with the SESAR deployment manager. Maria Grazia is also here. So we have results. We have results which are deployed in Europe and across the world, and you see some of them outside. Digital remote towers, use-based services, free route airspace, green trajectories with more efficient departures and arrivals. And we are continuing. We are working on trajectory-based operations. We are working on more use-based services, the integration of drones and eVTOLs in the airspace. How can we provide enough airspace to the military? What is the communication, better communication between air and ground, as well from ground to ground station? We are providing more support tools to controllers and pilots by using artificial intelligence. Alongside the conference, outside, we have an exhibition where you can meet with members and projects and discover all these new activities. And I encourage you to really spend some time at the exhibition and talk with the people behind our solutions and projects. So now turning to the second aspect of today's conference, the European Air Traffic Management Master Plan. This is the roadmap for all modernization efforts in Europe, from development to deployment, agreed collectively by all of us. And it's now time to update the 2020 edition and to put sustainability at its center. Of course, maintaining the focus on safety, and of course, maintaining the vision of a digital European sky. Our ambition is to make Europe the most efficient and environmentally friendly sky to fly in the world. And we mean this. This is serious for us. This is our ambition. I'm convinced sustainability is a license for aviation to exist and to grow. And air traffic management is able to contribute to addressing aviation's environmental impact in the short and medium term, and if I may say so, at a relatively modest investment cost. I know that all members of the SESAR 3 Joint Undertaking are committed to this goal and that we have already achieved a lot. I said we have 127 solutions available. We estimate 100 of them are making a contribution, a positive contribution to the environment. And if all these solutions were already deployed across Europe today, we could avoid immediately around 4% of the CO2 emissions. This is achievable. Let's do it. Summer 23 was the hottest on record, and it's a stark reminder to us all that climate change is a reality and that urgent action is needed. And the extreme weather events in the last months alone show that the aviation sector will have to do more in terms of climate adaptation. So let's raise the bar, like Raúl Medina from Eurocontrol likes to say, for the next edition of the European Air Traffic Management Master Plan. We have to ask ourselves if the ambition on the environment in the current edition goes far enough. Is 5 to 10% CO2 emissions reduction sufficient? What about noise, local air quality, non-CO2 emissions, in particular contrails? And given this, and to launch this discussion, we are tabling today a discussion paper on sustainability. We have worked together with SESAR, with Eurocontrol, in order to initiate the debate amongst us we need to have in preparing the new master plan. And we are looking forward to working with all partners and stakeholders over the coming 9 months for an ambitious yet realistic master plan, bringing development and deployment closer together. At the end of our conference today, industry associations will present a declaration backing up the update of the master plan. We appreciate the support received from many sides during the pre-campaign. This encourages us to work hard over the next months. I'm grateful for the support by the Spanish presidency of the European Union for this event, and I'm already very grateful for all speakers, panelists, exhibitors, and so on. It looks like a very nice day. Allow me one final personal observation. Some of our panels are clearly not gender balanced. This was not our intention. Our initial agenda was perfectly gender balanced. Well, then it happened that many female panelists became unavailable and male colleagues stepped in. I just hope that at the next occasion when we start with a gender-balanced agenda, all the female panelists will come and be present, and those male panelists who cannot make it will send female colleagues, and then over the years we'll balance it. I wish us all an interesting and insightful day. Many thanks.